Want to get cheat sheets, audiobooks, lessons, apps, and much more every month for free? Just click the link in the description to get your free language gifts of the month.
Hi everybody! Welcome to CantoneseClass101.com's Top Words. My name is Olivia and today we're in Macau, Ngô Mun, Macau. So here are top 5 words and phrases for Macau. The first word is casino, 賭場, casino. So there is a big casino somewhere here. And 賭 means gamble and 場 means arena or a place, a location. So 賭場 is where you gamble. 去完賭場冇晒錢. After going to the casino, I'm broke. 過大海, crossing the ocean, is a phrase that we use to describe people going to Macau to gamble. So, 你又過大海啊? You're going to gamble in Macau again? So, 過大海, literally to cross the big ocean. And the next word is 葡撻, Portuguese Tart. It's one of the famous food in Macau. And I love it. 我想食葡撻, I want to eat Portuguese Tart. It's kind of sweet. It's kind of like egg custard in a puff pastry. And you should try it when you have a chance. And the next word is 豬仔包, pork sandwich, pork bun. 豬 is pig. 仔 is like little, so little pig. And 包 is bread or bun. So 豬仔包, pork bun. It's kind of like a pork cutlet in a grilled bun with butter in between. So it is pretty good. You should try it. 食完豬仔包好飽啊. After eating the pork bun, I'm all full. And the last word is Daisamba, the great Sao Paulo Cathedral. It's one of the most famous attractions in Macau. It's a whole cathedral, and then fire and bomb destroyed it until only the front facade, only the front wall exists. So it's only a wall of the church that exists. And that's where everybody come and take picture at. Daisamba, Dai means big, the great. Samba comes from Sao Paulo. In a sentence, 個個都去大三巴影相. Everybody take a photo at the great Sao Paulo Cathedral. So that's it for today. Today we talked about 5 words and phrases you need to know in Macau. So I hope you're visiting Macau soon and get to walk around, eat some food, and check out CantoneseClass101.com for more fun videos. I'm Olivia and see you next time. Hatsikin!
Great work! Don't forget your free language learning downloads. Get free cheat sheets, lessons, and audiobooks every month. Sign up for your premium gifts of the month right now. Just click the link in the description.